What's up, guys? I'm here with the DEERC 200E 1/10 brushless chuggy. So I'm going to do a speed test. That's the big question. How fast is this thing? All right. It claims to go, according to the manufacturers, 60 plus kilometers an hour. But I'm going to test it on 2S, the stock 2S, and on a 3S battery. All right, check it out. It's at 0. Let's do it, guys. All right, let's test it out, guys. Let's see. I can tell you now, that's not 60. It's okay. Let me take a wild guess. I'm guessing like 25. All right. Let's see. Wrong way. All right. 26. You guys see that? Not bad, Toronto RC. Good guess. 26 kilometers an hour. Stock 2S battery. Let's throw a 3S in there. Let's go, guys. Check that out. Holy crap. Yeah, it's way faster, guys. Oh, I gotta go easy on them brakes. Now that's how it should be. Check that out, guys. Big difference. Okay. Oh, all right. Let's see how fast this is now. Okay. So far, 48 kilometers an hour. All right, let's do it again. I know I can hit 50. It's just the brakes. Okay, I went further that time. Come on, get from under these people's car. All right, let's go. Oh. Okay. If I hit the brakes, I tip forward, guys. Okay. We have 50, at least. Give me 50. 49. Well, that's a lot better. All right, so 49 kilometers an hour on my 3S battery. That's a lot better than 26, guys. All right, see you guys on the next video. Later. Got some more fun with this thing. This is what I'm talking about.